Hi everyone. This video is specially for teachers. Here we are going to discuss that how we can make quiz, that is question paper, with the help of Google Form. So just note down the steps. The first step is just to click on Chrome, and here you have to click on Google Forms. So these are the different options which will be open in front of you, right? We have to select www.google.com forms. So here we will see this surface. Go to Google Forms, click on it. Now this Google form is open in front of you. Now here's teachers, the first thing that you have to do is at the top you will see three dots. Just click on that three dots. The setting options will be open. Click on setting, and first you have to do setting for your question paper. Collect email addresses, limit to one response, then proceed to presentation. Presentation में here shuffle question order, if you want you can do it, otherwise keep it as it is. Next is quizzes. This is very important. Make this a quiz. Go to click on that. Then release grade. There will be two options. Immediately after each submission, letter after manual review. Click on letter after manual review so that students cannot see their grades immediately after the submission. Then missed questions. Missed questions we don't need. Then correct answers, point value, you have to click on point value, right? Then click on save. Now the setting is saved. Now what we have to do is at the top untitled form is written. Below that again untitled form is written, right, with the form description. There are form that Google form has started. So if you will click on untitled form, right, here you can write the name of your school. So whatever, for example, I'll write here ABC school. So this is just example. If you will click below that form description, here you can write subject, write your subject, then you can write the date when your paper is there. Okay, you can write even class. It depends whatever the information that you need to write. Below that you will see email addresses. Here the students, they'll write their email address. Then we will start typing the form, then typing the question paper. Down you will see different options. The first option with plus icon, when you will click on it, when you will click on it, so the first question will open in front of you. Here you can type the question. For example, I'll write what is past tense of tell. Okay, so this is my question which I have typed. Now it depends on me whether I'll keep it multiple choice or short answer or what. Now this I'll keep as multiple choice. Now here I'm giving four options. So here I'll give the option told, next option telled, next is telling, next is tell. You just click on that option and you are able to type the option. So once this is done, then again you will see the first blue color, that small square. Click on that. Here you can write the point value. if you are giving this question for 1 mark, 2 mark, whatever it is. So here I'll type 1. It depends on you. If your question is of 2 mark, you can write here 2. Okay. Then I have to click on correct answer. Right. So the correct answer here, I have not given the correct answer, but whatever correct answer is, you have to type on, you have to click on that correct answer, and then just you have to click on done. Once you, for example, suppose I'll click on this correct answer, okay, and if I'll click on this done, so here this is done, right? Then here required option you will see, just you have to click on required option. So this is over for our one question. Our one question is done. Now for the second question, again you have to click on plus icon, right? Now let's type the second question. What is nature, for example? I have written here. It depends whatever your question is, accordingly you have to type. Now here I don't want to give multiple choice. I wanted to give short answer. So I'll click on short answer. Okay. When I click on short answer, again the same options will be there. So I'll click on this square wala option, which is for answer key. This I'm giving for 1 mark again, and here I have to add a correct answer. So correct answer is beauty, I have written. Now here teachers, you have to be very very careful. When you are using first letter capital, you have to tell the students also that when they will write the answers, they have to write first letter capital. They have to type first letter capital. When you are feeding first letter small, you have to tell the students to type first letter small. In short, whatever answer you are giving, that is the space or the small capital letter, everything. Okay, so that same answer will be considered. If the child will write small letter and you have given capital, it will be considered wrong. Okay, so here you have to be very very careful. Now here I'll write done. Okay, and then required. Okay, so here two answers are ready. Now if you wanted to ask your students to give their names and roll number, that also you can do here. So again, in the beginning you have to do, if you are not able to change the sequence, just in the beginning, before starting the first question, you just start with the name of the student. So here I'll just click on plus icon, and here I'll type name of the student. Okay, now here be very careful, always keep it short answer. Okay, here you no need to add any answer, or you no need to add any point value, just make it required. Okay, so here your students can type the name. Okay, same way you can make it for roll number also, right? So here our paper is ready. This paper is ready. Now here it is shown total points 2, because we have only 2 questions, right? Once your paper is ready, then at the top you will see different options, right? Where the assign option is there, just it is left hand side to the 3 dots. Just click on that. When you click on that, send via, and it will show you different option. The middle option is link. Click on link. The link is shown. Copy the link. The link is copied to the clipboard, right? So wherever you wanted to save the link, you can save the link, or you can just give the link to your students, so that when they will click, the paper will be open in front of them. So I hope teachers you have understood how to prepare the question paper. Okay, once the question paper is prepared and it is submitted by your students, how you will see the responses. Again, you have to click on the same link which you have pasted somewhere in your WhatsApp group or somewhere which where you have saved the link. Just click on the link after submission of the paper by the students. When they will submit and when you will click on the link, again the paper will be open in front of you, right? Whatever paper you have typed, it will open in front of you. Now here the middle responses are there. Just click on responses. Now this responses will be open. Here accepting responses. It means that students can give the responses. When you will make it enabled, not accepting responses. And that's all. Now students are not able to give the responses. Now here no one has given the response for this particular test, that is why here it is showing no responses. But when the students will give the responses, that will be shown over here. So I hope this how to make test and how to see the responses, it is understood by you all. So thank you very much and happy learning.